How to connect Ecwid to CJ Dropshipping. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect your Ecwid store to your CJ Dropshipping and start getting as the products from there. So all you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do here is to head over ecwid.com. Then you need to sign in for the account of yours. If you don't have an account, I highly suggest for you to open up or sign up for an account. It is very easy. And also, you need to create an account within a CJ dropshipping. So once you have did that, and you must to do that, you're going to see here the menu of your Ecwid. Make sure that you have created your online store from setting up here the sales channels. Here you can go ahead and set up these sales channels by getting a website, for example, here, for example, on Wix or WordPress, Weebly, or Squarespace also. You can go ahead and connect those. Now, when you finish this, you're going to set here the website. So make sure that you are going to set up the website. In my case, I have already set it my Wix website. You can here let whatever provider of website from these sales channels make your website, right? Then you are going to set up here the as you can see here all those channels. If you don't want to use the websites, you can go ahead and use multiple channels like Facebook Messenger, Google Shopping, Shop App, Square, or eBay, Amazon. It is up to you to set those. So this is your choice. You can go ahead and upgrade to sell on eBay here or on Amazon. You need to upgrade your standard plan. At this point, we have only two choices to make things work. There is no simple connection or direct connection between Ecwid and CJ dropshipping. You need to keep that in mind because these two platforms are very different and will not be bind directly. So here we have the choice to either go ahead and get an app to connect those two. For example, here we have Shopify. You can go ahead and connect your Shopify store to CJ Dropshipping. Then you're going to head over here, Ecwid. After that, you're going to select the apps. When you select the apps, you're going to see here a lot of integrations. So the first one for the integrations is going to be here a bind commerce. So you are going simply here to the search bar right there, type in commerce. So when you type in here bind commerce, you're going to see this page. I'm going to preview this here. So we have a lot of here providers or business providers. So Bind Commerce will let you here get or connect the catalog of multiple channels and sync inventory and prices in this platform. So, for example, get the products from Shopify, WooCommerce, and etc. to this specific area. So, it is very easy to connect your Shopify account to your CJ dropshipping. So, you are going right there to the Shopify store. Then you are going to search for CJ drop shipping. Then we are going to select it from the app market. Go ahead and search it for Shopify App Store. Then you are going to install it. Open up here the app and it will take you directly to the CJ dropshipping. If you want to list the product or any product from CJ dropshipping to your Shopify store, you're going to select one of these products, for example, like this one. Then we are going to set it up. How we can set it up? You're going simply to select the product. Then you are going to add it to my product like this. Here we have it. So I'm going to pause the video, click on add to my product. So it is added. Now all you need to do is to click on list again. Or for the first time, you are going to click on list. Then you're going to see here the product, as you can see, details. Now, the most important part here is to select the store. So go ahead and select the store. Here we have an eBay store and also a Shopify store. Make sure on this case you are going to select your Shopify store. Then you are going to put here the product type. For example, here we are going to put vest. This is just an example. Now for the vendor, let it as it is. The title, make sure that you are going to put it here a little bit attracting and not this longer. So for the word of fashion, solid color, here we are going to put here coat jacket, autumn. So delete all of this. Here we are going to put here loose round, let it like it is. So we are going to verify here the variant price. Make sure that you are going to put here your drop shipping price on the bulk revise. Click on OK, and then you are going to see here the price. After that, we have the images and videos. Go ahead and let your images and videos appear on your store. The final step is the description. So you need to set up here the description. Please do not here delete the images because you need them. Here, if you don't want to add these images to the here the models to the description, you can go ahead and delete them because we have the variants here showing up. So we are going to delete those. For example, for you, if you are going to ask about these. So this is only the thing that I am going to do. So I'm going to delete these images. Don't need them for my here description. Then we are going to click on list it now. We are going to wait here until the progress of listing is going to be completed. Now let's go back to Ecwid. So that was the first thing that you need to do, or the first method of linking your Shopify store to Bind Commerce. So here, the second thing is to search for the apps or integration that will allow you to set up any store. For example, here, in case you don't have, for example, here, CJ Dropshipping directly here on Dropshipping, you're going to see here the most convenient app that will allow you to connect your Shopify store, eBay store, or a lot of other providers. For example, for Deezers is going to be the same provider as here CJ Dropshipping, because Deezers is very simple to use. It is going to be bind to AliExpress to import and sell the products for dropshipping. Now, let's head over here the sales channels or the other sales channels. For example, you know here that on this part or this end of CJ Dropshipping, we can go ahead and extend this menu. Then we are going to see the authorization that we have. Here we have the combination for shops. We have Shopify, we have eBay, and we have TikTok. So that means when you are on Ecwid, you can go ahead and set up here a eBay account, and then you are going to convert it, or you can go ahead and transfer it from a buying account to a seller account. That was the first thing. Also, we've had TikTok, so it is included on the sales channels. You're going to see it right there. Here, as you can see, we have it sell on online marketplaces. We have Amazon, TikTok, and also eBay. You can go ahead and connect one of these to your account. Then you are going also to set here CJ Dropshipping with them. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.